Have you ever been asked, tell me about your hometown, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank?
Whether it's IELTS, PTE, a job interview, or just a casual conversation, this simple question makes thousands of English learners nervous every single day. But today, here at Learn How to Learn English, we fix that forever.
Emma is going to interview Alex, and together they'll show you exactly how to build a confident, natural, native-like answer, step by step. He's been practicing since last week.
Since last month. Get it right. Let's go.
Hi, Alex. So, tell me about your hometown. Where are you originally from?
Great question. I'm originally from Sao Paulo, the largest city in Brazil, located in the southeast of the country. It has around 12 million people in the city alone and about 22 million in the greater area. So yes, it's absolutely massive.
Okay, pause. Did you see that? Location, size, population, 3 facts, 2 sentences, 15 seconds. That's brick 1, and it's your foundation. Imagine New York City. Now make it louder, more chaotic, and add 10 million more people. I need a moment. Amazing! So, what is Sao Paulo actually known for?
3 things. Professionally, it's the financial capital of all Latin America. Culturally, it has one of the most diverse food scenes in the world. Japanese, Lebanese, Italian, all on the same street. And emotionally, the football culture. Every weekend, the entire city stops for the match. The energy is absolutely electric.
Professional, cultural, emotional. 3 layers. That is brick 2. And that's what separates a good answer from an unforgettable one.
Oh, I haven't mentioned the traffic yet.
How bad is it?
We don't talk about the traffic.
I love it. But Alex, what does Sao Paulo actually feel like? Paint me a picture.
Okay, imagine this. You walk out of the airport. First, the sound. Loud, alive, music playing from somewhere you can't even see. Then the smell. Fresh coffee, pão de queijo baking nearby. Then the colors. Street art covering entire buildings like masterpieces. I always say, Sao Paulo is like New York City, but with better coffee.
Did you just say better coffee than New York?
I said what I said.
As an American, I am personally attacked right now. But seriously, guys, look at what he did. Sound, smell, color, comparison, specific details. He didn't say Sao Paulo is nice. He made us feel it. That is brick 3. And it's the brick that makes examiners put down their pen and just listen. Last question, Alex. What does Sao Paulo personally mean to you?
Honestly, when I lived there, I sometimes complained. The noise, the chaos. But the moment I landed in Toronto, I missed it immediately. I missed Sunday morning bread smells. I missed rooftop sunsets with friends. I missed strangers talking to you at bus stops like they'd known you for years. Sao Paulo is loud, chaotic, and overwhelming. But it made me who I am, and it will always be home.
Why? Examiners forget facts in 2 minutes. They never forget feelings. That's brick 4. And this is where your answer becomes unforgettable. Okay, Alex, all 4 bricks, together, go!
I'm originally from São Paulo, the largest city in Brazil, with over 22 million people in the greater area, located in the southeast of the country. It's the financial capital of Latin America, famous for its incredible food diversity and electric football culture. The energy feels like New York City, but louder, more colorful, and with genuinely better coffee. Personally, São Paulo made me who I am. I didn't appreciate it until I left, but now I miss it every single day. It will always be home.
Band 9, minimum.
Vamos, Brasil!
Real quick, 3 mistakes to avoid. Alex, demonstrate. Mistake 1, too vague.
My city is big. Many people. I like it. Thank you.
That's a name tag, not an answer. Mistake 2, only facts, zero feeling.
Sao Paulo was founded in 1554. GDP is 209 billion.
You're not Wikipedia. We want you, not an encyclopedia. Mistake 3, apologizing for your city.
My hometown is small. Nothing special. Sorry.
Never apologize for where you're from. Every hometown has a beautiful story. Your job is to tell it. Here is your complete 4-brick formula. Write this down. Brick 1. I'm from blank, located in blank. It's a blank city with around blank people. Brick 2. It's known for professionally and famous for its culturally. Brick 3. The energy feels, I'd compare it to, but. Brick 4. Personally, this place means to me because. Power words. Upgrade instantly. Basic power word big. Bustling/vibrant. Small. Quaint/close-knit. Nice. Charming/lively. Busy. Fast-paced/thriving.
Use even one of these, and your examiner's eyebrows go up.
Genuinely accurate. Your hometown, big or small, famous or unknown, is part of your story. Now you have the method to tell it beautifully.
When I first described Sao Paulo, I said, it is big city, many people, very busy. I know. But once I learned this formula, everything changed. If I can do it, you can absolutely do it.
Drop your hometown answer in the comments below. We read every single one. Share this with a friend preparing for IELTS or PTE, and subscribe to Learn How to Learn English for a new video every week.
Keep learning. Keep growing. Emma desperately tries to end the video. Pure chaos.